If you're over 50 and your belly just won't seem to shrink, no matter how clean you eat or how much you walk, this one small morning habit might finally change that. You see, belly fat after 50 isn't just about calories. It's about how your body processes sugar, handles digestion, and stores fat. That's why this drink brings together a handful of ingredients that work together, like a team, to reset your system from the inside out. First in this powerful combination is apple cider vinegar, a fermented tonic that's been used for centuries, but we're not including it for tradition, we're including it because of the science. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, which does something powerful. It activates an enzyme in your body called AMPK. Think of AMPK as your internal switch for fat burning. When it flips on, your body starts using fat for fuel, instead of storing it. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar also slows digestion. Not in a bad way, but just enough to help you feel fuller longer, curb cravings, and reduce the urge to snack late into the morning. And perhaps most importantly for those over 50, it helps stabilize blood sugar, because when your insulin spikes less, your belly stores less. But apple cider vinegar works even better when it has the right partner, and that's where lemon juice steps in. This simple fruit brings more than just tang. Lemon juice adds brightness, not just to the taste, but to your body's metabolism. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce the inflammation that builds up in fat cells over time. But its real power? That lies in how it supports your liver. Your liver is responsible for processing fat, and after 50, it often gets sluggish. Lemon juice stimulates bile production, giving your liver the nudge it needs to break down fats more effectively. Plus, it helps your body absorb nutrients better, especially the compounds in apple cider vinegar. It's not just about what you take in, it's about what your body can actually use. That's why these ingredients don't just sit in your glass, they work together once inside you. Now, here's where the drink really starts to heat up, with a touch of ginger. You've probably used ginger when you had a cold or stomach trouble, and that's no coincidence. Ginger contains a compound called gingerol, and it's been shown to gently raise your body's temperature. That's important because when your core temperature rises even slightly, your body starts burning more calories naturally, even while resting. But it's not just about calorie burn. Ginger also improves digestion, easing bloating and gas, so your belly looks and feels flatter fast. And when paired with lemon and vinegar, it enhances their effects, helping move food through your system smoothly and reducing inflammation in your gut. And finally, to round out the formula, we add one more powerful touch, something small but mighty: cinnamon. You might think of it as a baking spice, but inside your body, it acts more like a metabolic regulator. It contains cinnamaldehyde, a natural compound that helps regulate blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, especially important as we age. When your blood sugar stays steady, your body stores less fat around the belly. Cinnamon also brings powerful antioxidants into the mix, calming down inflammation and supporting every other ingredient in the drink. But none of these would come together the right way without one last often overlooked piece. The base that activates it all: warm water. Not cold, not boiling, just comfortably warm. It prepares your digestive system, helps dissolve and activate the ingredients, and delivers them gently to where they need to go. When you drink this blend first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach, your body absorbs it fast, and the effects start almost immediately. So now that you know what's inside this morning blend, here's how to put it all together. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not hot, just enough to feel soothing. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, the kind with the mother is best. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Grate or slice a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1/4 teaspoon. And finish with a pinch of cinnamon powder, just enough to stir in. Stir it well, take a deep breath, and sip slowly. Ideally, drink this first thing in the morning, before breakfast, before coffee. Let it be the first thing your body receives. This isn't about rushing results. It's about giving your body the right signal every single morning. Start with 1 glass a day. preferably on an empty stomach. And just like with anything, consistency matters more than perfection. Now, a few quick notes. If you take medications for blood pressure or blood sugar, check with your doctor first. If you have acid reflux, ulcers, or a sensitive stomach, start with less vinegar or ginger. And don't forget, rinse your mouth with plain water afterward. The lemon and vinegar are powerful, and your teeth will thank you. This drink isn't a magic potion, it's a habit, a signal, a quiet daily commitment that tells your body it's time to burn fat, to digest better, and to heal from the inside out. If you give your body the right tools, like this, your metabolism doesn't have to slow down just because the calendar moved past 50. Try this drink every morning for 7 to 10 days. And if you notice even a small change in how your belly feels, how your digestion flows, how your energy holds, let us know in the comments below. Tap subscribe now, and join thousands of others using natural habits to reclaim their health after 50. One video at a time, one small habit at a time. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.